Hi guys, this video is for us who already have a Euro pass and we want to make a seat reservation or bed reservation on Italian train, which is within Italy only. Okay, this website, this one particularly, do not allow me to make a seat reservation only if I travel outside Italy. So this is one of the good and the straightforward one. It's called italiarail.com. all right, so I show you guys really quick how to do this. You punch in from where to where, and let me make them bigger a little bit. Okay, within Italy, and here, and how many what dates, how many traveler and stuff. And before you punch the button to find the ticket, here on the bottom here, you see that it said I don't have a rail passes. Let me make it bigger a little bit. Here, I don't have rail passes. Okay, so you click there and then change it into first class rail pass, because that's my ticket is, and they ask you to accept the condition. You click I accept, you click find a ticket, and then they will come up with all the timetables and all the price of reservation only, which is about €10 per person in their fast train, which is worth it. Otherwise you will have to take a regional train, very slow, might take 3-4 times the distance. And this one is from Rome to Venice, the same. Rome to Florence, I checked yesterday, also the same, €10. Or on the night trains, if you order the couchette, which is sleep 6 person in one room, or the bed 4 person in one room, then the price goes up, whichever you choose. But this one is a seat reservation on the fast train in Italy. You click which one you want, and you follow up with the price and everything, and then that's it. You pay for it, and you have a peace of mind that on your train ride from Rome to Venice, you already have a seat book. Okay, when they say that there is reservation is compulsory, means you do have to have a reservation. Otherwise, they will charge you a lot if they caught you jumping into the train without reservation. There you go. Okay, on the price, first class price from Rome to Venice, actually €119 here. You only pay $10. I mean €10 because you have rail pass or Eurail pass. Mine is global pass, which allow me to travel for 1 month within 28 countries. So then I can jump in and out from any train I want and get lost, and only pay the reservation only. I know you can do this on Eurail.com. That's the place where you buy your ticket in the US, Eurail.com. But they charge you $7 on top of this €10. Okay, I think it's $7 or €7 service fee per train. Imagine that. Okay, after charging you an arm and a leg for the Eurail pass, they still charge you service fee. Shame on you, Eurail.com. So anyway, hopefully one day it's free. So with this italiarail.com, you don't have to pay that service fee. All right, so hopefully it saves you a lot of money, and enjoy your trip. So book your train early, and have a happy holiday. Bye bye.